Most students carry a phone, laptop, or a tablet everywhere they go, so allowing personal devices in class might sound like a good idea. However, just because technology is convenient does not mean it improves learning. Schools are meant to help students focus, participate, and succeed academically, but personal devices often do the opposite. Research shows that phones and personal technology increases distraction, reduces academic performance, and make classrooms harder to manage. For these reasons, Centralia High School should not permit students to freely use personal devices during school and class time. One major problem with allowing personal devices in school is that they increase distraction and reduce focus. Phones and personal devices make it easy for students to multitask between schoolwork and social media. According to the Boston University article, Why Schools Should Ban Cell Phones in Classrooms, students learn less when devices divide their attention and interrupt focus. Notifications and texting break concentration even when students intend to stay on task. The article also explains that student performance improves when phones are removed from the classroom. When attention is constantly interrupted, students cannot fully understand or retain what they are being taught. Not only do personal devices distract students, but they also create more classroom disruptions and academic issues. The article from schoolsecurity.org, Cell Phones and Text Messaging in Classrooms, states that cell phones are one of the most common classroom distractions reported by teachers. Texting during class reduces participation and attention during lessons. Schools also have reported increased cheating and cyberbullying connected to phones use in school settings. These disruptions take away from instructions and make it harder for teachers to maintain classrooms. When teachers must constantly monitor phone use, valuable learning time is lost. Beyond distraction and disruption, personal devices also negatively affect how students actually learn information. According to Screen Strong article, Rethinking Personal Laptops in the Classroom, students frequently switch between academic work and entertainment when using personal devices. This type of multitasking lowers comprehension and reduces deep thinking. Increased screen use has been proven to shorten attention spans and weaken information retention. Teachers report that device-heavy classroom make it harder to ensure students are actively engaging in learning. When students are not fully engaged, their overall academic performance suffers. Some might argue that letting students use their personal devices in classrooms would help them stay organized or look up information faster. While that might be true in some classes, research shows that devices usually end up distracting students more than helping them. According to the Boston University, students learn less when their attention is split between schoolwork and their phones. Phones can also lead to more texting, cheating, and other distractions in class, which makes it harder for teachers to keep students focused. Because of this, allowing personal devices would likely create more problems than benefit in the classroom. Although personal devices may seem helpful or convenient, research shows that they interfere with students' learning and classroom success. Evidence from the Boston University, schoolsecurity.org, and Screen Strong demonstrates that phones and personal technology increases distraction, disrupts classrooms, and reduces comprehension. Schools should prioritize focus, fairness, and academic achievement rather than adding more digital distractions into the classroom. For these reasons, Centralia High School should reject allowing personal devices during class time. Yep.